Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Just a quick video about the update with CBCT and viewing, fenestrations in ClearCorrect's Straumann. And it's finally here. I've been asking for it for a long time, ever since I got so excited about Invisaligns. Of course, Spark has theirs. It's kind of, but it's okay. Not quite Invisalign's. ClearCorrect's is janky, is gonna be my word. It's there. The data is there. I feel in my gut the data seems right, because I've seen enough cases now in Invisalign. It's just the graphics are kind of bad, and then there's an extra step. So here's the extra step that I want to show you. I didn't even realize that we've been having those in cases. I mean, I knew it existed, but I didn't know that cases I was working on had it because I didn't know you had to push an extra step. Because from my experience, Invisalign's is always default. If you put it in, it pops up, right? I mean, you can turn it off, but it comes up as the default. Whereas in ClearCorrect, you have to do an extra step. Here's the thing, you don't always remember which cases you put this on. So then to have the extra step, that just doesn't make sense. They should really reverse it. So anyways, so yeah, extra step, push the CBCT, push Bruce and Bone. That's it. And then it's going to come up and it's going to look like Invisalign's. However, you're not going to see the red if there's a problem. And you're not going to see the red at the beginning, which is weird because a lot of cases, you've got cases that, you perf the bone, and they started off in the bone and it was just really crowded and then you push too wide, right? But then you have ones that maybe are retreatment cases that started already outside the bony housing. Okay, somebody screwed up, or for whatever reason, they were crowding cases and they were already outside the bony housing. From my experience, usually that doesn't happen unless somebody put it there. Like occasionally, but it's more likely that somebody put it there. So either you're in the middle of the treatment and oopsies, you push things a little too far forward, but it's starting to look a little funny, or oopsies, we're starting to get into the danger zone. We better put that CBC in the plan, reevaluate, and tuck them back in. So that's my only concern is I didn't feel in the graphics you saw the pre. Like it didn't pop out. Like Invisalign's pops out like it's red. Like it's scary. The way they do the graphics is so educational. Invisalign, great for the hygienist. This, not good. So graphics are just not wow. And I don't think you can sell it as easier. It'll be a feature for you as the doctor. I just don't feel like it's going to be quite the feature that the iTero is. I'm just telling you the truth. So just my opinion. Now, that being said, Straumann ClearCorrect, as always, I give you the same courtesy I give Invisalign. I don't charge you guys to make this video, y'all, and I am not a KOL from them. Only thing I've done with them, I think one time they took me out for a hamburger. I was in Round Rock. Like, they did actually do something for me that cost $11. Thank you so much to Corey. But yeah, I've taken a tour. They've been nice to me. So that's a step up from some of the other aligner companies. So I don't have a beef with them. But this was pre-Straumann. But anyways, nah, I mean, like if this is incorrect, like by all means, I've been very transparent with Straumann, like, hey, tell me what's going on. Have someone reach out to me, say, hey, this is something new. But they don't reach out to me. So, and nor do they answer questions. So this is all that I know. If you guys know something different, let me know. But I think that if you use your brain, you can learn to use this feature in ClearCorrect. It's just not going to be something that's going to be very useful for your patients. So you're going to then have to translate it, which is the hard part, is the translation. That's the part we're missing here. So I still think Invisalign's is superior. And of course, this is better than Sparks in my opinion. So I would say Invisalign takes the A+, ClearCorrect takes the B, and Spark takes the C. And if there's any other ones, y'all can show me. So, all right, thanks. Bye.